Good morning everyone, welcome back to PNP Top News. Supreme Court to decide a nuclear waste storage dispute. The Supreme Court will hear agreement on a long-standing dispute over nuclear waste storage, focusing on whether Texas and private parties can challenge the Nuclear Regulatory Commission's decision to license facility in the Permian Basin. The case NRC versus Texas also questions the NRC authority to permit waste storage away from the reactor sites. IRS planned massive workforce cut amid federal downsizing. The IRS is drafting plan to cut up to half of its 90,000 person workforce through layoff, attritions, and a buyout as a part of Trump's administration push to shrink the federal government. Already 7,000 probationary employees has been laid off and buyouts have been offered. Through US capture ISIS-K terrorist behind 2021 Kabul airport bombing. President Donald Trump announced the US has apprehended Mohammad Sarifullah, an ISIS-K member linked to 2021 Kabul airport bombing that killed 13 US troops and over 170 Afghan civilians. Captured with CIA intelligence and Pakistani corporations, Sarifullah faced terrorism charges in the US. Trump's administration planned to sell hundreds of federal buildings. The Trump administration is considering selling 320 non-core federal properties to cut costs, initially listing 440 buildings, including major agency headquarters, before scaling back. The General Services Administration says the move could save $430 million annually by eliminating underutilized office space. The plan aligns with Trump's push to relocate federal jobs out of Washington, D.C. Pennsylvania voters divided on Trump's speech in CNN focus group. A CNN focus group in Pennsylvania, Bucks County, revealed mixed reaction to President Donald Trump's recent speech. Supporter praised his strife on China, Canada, and Mexico, with one voter calling it a long overdue move to reclaim economic strength. Meanwhile, Democratic voters criticized Trump's division rhetoric and lack of focus on economic hardship like inflation and housing cost.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.